Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Eggs are a highly nutritious and versatile food that offers numerous health benefits when incorporated into a balanced diet. Here are some of the key health benefits of eating eggs. Excellent source of protein. Eggs are a complete protein source, containing all 9 essential amino acids that the body needs to build and repair tissues. Protein is essential for muscle maintenance, immune function, and hormone production. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Eggs are a good source of several essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B12, vitamin D, vitamin A, vitamin E, selenium, and choline. These nutrients play vital roles in various bodily functions, such as supporting the immune system, promoting eye health, and maintaining healthy skin. Brain health. Choline, found in egg yolks, is essential for brain health and cognitive function. It is a precursor to acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in memory and learning. Eye health. Eggs contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health. They may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Weight management. Eggs can help with weight management as they are high in protein and can increase feelings of fullness, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. Heart health. Contrary to past concerns about cholesterol, research has shown that moderate egg consumption is not associated with an increased risk of heart disease for most people. Moreover, the unsaturated fats in eggs can contribute to a healthy heart. Improves blood lipids. Some studies suggest that eating eggs can improve the balance of good HDL cholesterol and bad LDL cholesterol, leading to a more favorable lipid profile. Muscle strength. The protein in eggs, along with its high digestibility, can contribute to muscle strength and recovery after exercise. Skin and hair health. The vitamins and minerals in eggs, particularly vitamin A, biotin, and sulfur, are beneficial for healthy skin and hair. Bone health. Eggs contain vitamin D, which is essential for calcium absorption and bone health. It's essential to remember that while eggs have numerous health benefits, moderation is key, as excessive consumption may not be suitable for everyone. If you have specific dietary concerns or health conditions, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to determine the most suitable diet for your needs. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, please hit the notification button to keep you updated with our upcoming posts and videos. Brightest Life will be happy if you leave comments to our videos, and rest assured that we will reply to them. Till next time.